Alright everyone, I'll go and show you exactly how to fix Instagram not showing likes problem. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. First, make sure that the app has been updated to the last version, because the older version of the app may not have some options. To update your app to the last version, you need to find an App Store or Play Store. If you have found the App Store, means your device on iOS system. If you have found the app Play Store, means your device on the Android system. Now open these apps. On the Android system, tap on profile icon at the top right corner. Then I prepare for you example what we need to do. You just tap on App Store and Game, as you can see like on this screenshot. And then you will see all available updates for your device at the moment. And you just tap on Update here one by one, or update all your available updates for your device. On the iOS system, go all way App Store. Tap on Profile at the top right corner here. You should press and hold on any space of the screen and swipe from top to down, like I. As you can see, we reload this page. Just tap on Update All. Second solution, open up your Instagram app, log into your account, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Open up main menu, tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Proceed to Settings, then go to Privacy. You will see Posts. Tap on Posts, hide likes and view counts. Just swipe the slider to the left side to disable this option. Third solution is clear your Instagram cache data. You just go Always Settings. On Android device, you should scroll down and find Apps. Select Apps, then proceed to Manage Apps. From the list, select Instagram, tap on Clear Cache and confirm it. On iPhone iOS device, scroll down, select General, tap on iPhone Storage, scroll down and find Instagram app. Tap on Instagram app, tap Offload app and proceed Offload app. Fourth solution is reboot your device. Just press button on your device to turn off. Then, of course, enable your device and check if it helped. And the last solution is delete your Instagram app. Press and hold on Instagram app, tap on Remove app, then delete app. When you finish, go to your Play Store or App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right corner, proceed to search bar and enter Instagram. Then search Instagram app and of course tap on Instagram and install this app. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.